Hey people, today we are at District 18, Tampines West newest TOP condo project, the Tapestry. We've been tasked to market this compact-sized 2-bedroom condo unit that just TOP at 2021, 2 years back. Definitely a good buy for young families and singles. In this video, we will fully immerse ourselves into Tampines and the Tapestry condo itself. This project has 861 units developed by prestigious developer CDL. They have multiple awards like Most Sustainable Building, Best Interior Design and Top Architectural Development Awards, the current #1 ranking developer in Singapore. Later in the video, introducing, here's Johnny. He will present to you the interior of this 2-bedroom unit. And in this video, watch as we unravel the full transformation of Tampines Regional Centre in the works. Remember to watch till the end. And here we are in the East Regional Centre of Singapore with all spectrums of job employment and trades. In simple terms, the regional centre meaning is 15 times bigger than normal town centre. And Tampines is further split into 5 areas, which the first one, our main central Tampines area where all the mega malls are located. Next, the north, east, south and the west of Tampines, which we are here today. And the condo, Tapestry, which is only located 5 bus stops away from Tampines MRT stations. Exclusive full condo facilities that span over a land area of 233,000 square feet, making it one of the most highly demanded projects here in Tampines. Next, take a look at all the outstanding facilities. Residents can still enjoy the main facilities such as the gourmet studio, a gym, 100-meter infinity pool, 50-meter lap pool, the tennis court, pets corner, and Cabana Corner. And also not forgetting that we are in the vicinity of 1 kilometer prestigious primary school. #1, St. Hilda Primary School and Hoi Ching Primary. Lastly, before we head up to the unit, be excited to the mega transformation in the east. Changi Terminal 5 and Changi Waterfront City transformation, which will greatly increase this project property value in the future if you decide to cash out. Our Singapore Prime Minister Lee Hsien Loong announced that T5 will increase its capacity for about 150 million passengers per year, and its scales will be bigger than all 4 present Terminal 1, 2, 3, 4 put together, estimated to be completed by the year 2030. And for now, it's still so early to buy into this project for great capital growth. And also, Changi Waterfront District will offer exciting new recreation and tourism possibility and seamless intermodal fly ferry linkages from Terminal 5 and stay tuned to the end of the video to find out more. And packed with current Changi Business Park, SUTD, the Waterfront Commercial District, all make up into a mega Changi city.
Tapestry is also accessible to purchase daily necessities, and coffee shops is just 2 minutes walk at Block 878C. While crossing over for amenities, you can enjoy the greenery at Tampines Green Forest Park. Travel 3 minutes more at Block 866A, you can shop at NTUC FairPrice Supermarket. It is also close proximity to Tampines Mall, Century Square, Tampines 1 and our Tampines Hub and many more. Did you know that Tapestry has so much more potential? The government will inject a further $2 billion into the Changi Airport Development Fund so that to anticipate the growth in flights and passengers at Changi Airport in the run-up to Terminal 5. 400 new electric buses are expected to deploy for passenger service from December 2024 onwards.
We have come to the end of the video. This is definitely an undervalued, award-winning project. And if you would like to view this unit, contact us in person.
And do like, share and subscribe our weekly home tour as well as creative video challenge.
And once again, I'm Cedric.
And I'm Johnny.
We will see you here at the Tapestry. And property owners, we upsell your property value, we sell higher. Contact us to explore your choices today.